Is your Chevy Tahoe's alarm constantly going off? It's a common issue, often stemming from a faulty liftgate switch, hood latch, or the body control module. The alarm system relies on sensors that communicate with the body control module, or BCM. When a sensor malfunctions, it sends incorrect signals, triggering the alarm. Start by inspecting the liftgate switch for dirt or damage. This is a frequent culprit, especially if the alarm goes off when closing the liftgate. Next, check the hood latch for corrosion, which can mimic an open hood. If those look okay, consider that a BCM reset might be needed. Ignoring these issues will cause stress and potential battery drain. For the liftgate switch, replacement is often the easiest fix. These parts cost between $20 and $50 and can be tested with a multimeter for continuity. For the hood latch, replacement works similarly. Look for corrosion and replace if needed, also costing $20 to $50. If replacing sensors doesn't work or you suspect a BCM issue, try a reset. Disconnect the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes to clear error codes and resolve firmware glitches. Software updates via the My Chevrolet app can also recalibrate the BCM if available for your model. Remember, proactive maintenance like cleaning sensors annually can prevent future problems.